Hey, Ryan here from RyanWithBond.com, and on this video, we're going to be talking about how to know if you're getting high-quality types of traffic going to your website and why it's important for you to do this as an online marketer. So stay tuned. Before I get started, I want you guys to go ahead and log into your YouTube account, and then I want you to go to the bottom right of this video and look for that notification bell. And then while you're there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And the reason why I want you guys to hit that notification bell is because you can get notified whenever I go live or whenever I upload a new video, because on this channel, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money from home and what products you can use to easily promote on the internet. And today, on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my #1 marketing tool that I use to track high quality types of traffic that go to my website. And I want to introduce you guys to ClickMagick, right? ClickMagick is my #1 online tool that I use for tracking. And who is this for? This is for your online marketers, your affiliate marketers, and almost any kind of marketer or anybody that's running traffic to a website, right? So if you're running solo ads, Facebook ads, PPCs, CPCs, etc. You should be tracking those links, right? The #1 thing that sets aside a amateur and a professional is tracking. Because if you're not tracking anything in your business, it shows that you're really not serious about it. And tracking allows you to analyze the data and make any necessary adjustments that you can use or that you need to do in your business if there is something that's flawed, right? But you want to be able to know where your money's coming from, or you want to be able to know where your money's not coming from. Because I don't know about you, I work hard to get my money, and I'm sure you guys do too. But I don't want to leave money on the table for somebody else to take. So, for instance, if you're running a paid ad, right, or you're running paid ads towards your site, you want to be able to know at least, where these leads are coming from. What kind of quality, are they high quality, ready to buy, type of leads, or are they bad, tire kicker type of leads? You're gonna, and you're just about gonna get, the bad kind of leads. There's nothing you can really do about it. But the best way to filter them out is to know where they're coming from, and that's by tracking. And that's why tracking the quality of leads, is very, very important, right? So I'm going to actually show you it's an old back office of my my ClickMagick. And here you can really run, you can really track anywhere you want as long as you have a link. Like here, I have an email. I ran it through emails, my blogs, even solo ads, right? So here, let's go over this one of these, right? And if you click on the gear button that's down here, you're gonna get this drop down here. You can copy tracking link, get new notifications, track conversion, split testing, traffic quality, daily breakdown, analysis. You can show your public stats, a lot of different things here. So if we hit the traffic quality, is which one I'm gonna go over today, and it gives you your traffic quality score, how many unique IP addresses you got, and how many different mobile clicks. What I love about it being able to show what kind of mobile, what kind of clicks and where the clicks the majority are coming from is because if you have a website that's not mobile friendly, you can go back and edit that for it to become mobile friendly, so it can be more user friendly on the site when they're using their cell phones, right? Also, you have tier 1 clicks. Tier 2 clicks, and I'll explain this to you in a minute. But here on the side, I want you guys to look at this gauge right here. Now this gauge here, it tells you the type of quality. Now obviously being in the green is good, being the red or the yellow is not so good, right? And what that means is that they take the average, they gather the data from your traffic and they come up with your traffic quality score. So for every tracking link that you have set up, they'll track it. So this is the type of quality that you have. And here's your report as far as where you are, and as your ad or as your traffic is going, or if you're running, like I said, if you're running a solo ad for like a week or a Facebook ad for a week, and you're starting to see people click on your links, and you'll be able to see how far you are if it's staying in either within this range or within the red range, right? You always want to be around the green range. And the green range is anything that's 85 to 100, which is A, which is very good, or 7 to 85, which would be B, which is good. And I really don't like the average or anything below that. So I normally try to go for the very good, which is the A, and I've been lucky enough to get that through vendors. So like I said, you can really track a lot of things here with ClickMagick and as far as the quality. Now here, I want to go back to the tier 1 and tier 2. And tier 1 basically is, it's your premium traffic. These are your high quality traffics. You know, these are the 5 most, these are 5 English speaking countries, you know, which typically get most opt-ins, and people who are, where you get more conversions as far as people opting into your website, you know, and that people, then they go to your list. So the 5 English speaking countries would be obviously the US, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand. Now, you are going to get some some tier 2 traffic, and that comes from these websites. And there are 43 countries that are in this in this tier, and they're considered good. But I, like I said, prefer to get just the top tier 1 traffic, which is basically mostly 85 or above. Okay. Now, when it comes to tracking with ClickMagick, right? Like I said, you could basically put it anywhere, anywhere that you have a link. You know, you can, if you're, instance, if you're running, you know, if you're on Facebook and you put a post up and you have people going to your link, and you want to know where that link, or where people are clicking from, and you want to know, you know, what type of quality it is, and they're coming from Facebook, you'll know in your back office that it's coming from, you know, from Facebook. Or if you're running an email campaign, right? And you're running an email campaign, and say, for instance, you have something coming from, you know, your email, it'll be able to show over here. Now, also, if you're running many chats, if you're running many chats with Messenger and you have that link, you can put up, you know, just a simple thing here that says, you know, many chat sequence or growth tool of blah, 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 right? And you'll know where those clicks are coming from, because, you know, it's going to your site. And like I said, knowing the quality type of your clicks or your links, it's going to actually bring your more engagement onto your list, or to subscribers that you have on your autoresponder, right? Because you're building a list, you have an email list, you know, and, you know, that's what I love about ClickMagick. And like I said, you can do so much more in here that I'm not going to go over. But, you know, as far as pricing, you know, you have a starter plan, which is $12 you could pay monthly, or you can have, you know, the standard plan or the pro plan. I have the standard plan, which I paid out for the whole entire year. I believe it came up to 150 or less than 150 or something like that. But you do get a 14-day free trial with ClickMagick, and then after that, it's going to start charging your credit card. So if you like it, stay with it. If you don't like it, you know, you can always cancel at any time. But I do love ClickMagick. It's, like I said, the best way to track your traffic towards your website. So if you want to get ClickMagick, so if you want to know more information about ClickMagick, I'm going to put it in the description box below. And also, if you want to know my #1 recommended source for making money from home, you know, it's going to be also in the description box below. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. See you on the next video. Peace out.